Okay, so step one as a technician, I would hit that power button and immediately start tapping on F2 on my Dell. And this is the first step in the troubleshooting. Okay, so this will bring me into BIOS, or the setup options. And I'm going to click on integrated devices. And on this page, I'm going to set the date and time. Both are important in this scenario. I know it says time in the error, but it's really important to set both. So make sure the month is set correctly. You can use the arrow keys. And then you can use the same for the minute and the year. And then moving over to the time, you want to make sure that the hours and minutes are set correctly. The seconds are less important. And obviously, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as possible. And then you also have the AM and PM button. Make sure those are set correctly, because otherwise it will cause this error. This is the number one cause for these not being properly set to some sort of power loss. Can reset them, or an update and things like that. So now I hit apply changes and hit OK, and then I'm going to hit exit. And that's it.